Hi, this is Noah from screenprintexchange. So Paslode changed their connectors. So from the black ones, which are the old tried and true ones, to a system where it spins on. So I made two other videos. This is the third one. So this is the old version where you push it on and then you push it on further. So the older nailers are not compatible with the twist on. This won't work on this newer setup that Paslode made. So I bought on eBay, this guy imports them, the twist on, and you just twist it on. I'll put the link in there. So here's the twist on. So, but you can still probably use these as well. This is the first time taking it off. You need to be careful doing this, and you do this at your own risk. But you could just, you take these are exactly the same, but this insert has been put in over here. So you need to be careful, and I don't recommend, if you want to do this, you can, but you can simply find a space and pry this insert out. So here you go. It's almost there. It's out. So let's see if we can put the black one on. Well, let's compare and contrast. One is red and one is white. So let's try putting the old connector on. So if you still have the old gun, you still have these, you can still use it, or you can go on eBay and buy the twist off. This will no longer work because it's not as wide, but you can do that way. So it'll work either way if you remove it, but you need to be safe. So I'll put it on. It works. You're good to go with the old one, or you can, sorry, I had to pull it out. It was harder. Or you can go with the twist. So either one will work, but you need to be safe. Let's see if we can pop this guy in. Okay, we popped it back in. Yeah, Paslode wants you to buy a new nail gun with their new system. It is nice, the twist off, but it wasn't necessary. So there's your options. Always do this in a well-ventilated area. Be safe with removing this. I would recommend doing it outside. Do not puncture the tank. You're doing this all at your own risk. Please like and continue watching, and subscribe. I come up with good ideas how to go around things. So thank you. Happy nailing.